Hello YouTube. Today we are here in where? Okay, actually we are here at the Mango Ranch in Valencia. We are having some picnic. Paano ba 'to baliktarin? There you go. See? It's nice here. And ito kami nagpipiknik.
Nahulog ako.
And dyan, as you can hear, kung naririnig nyo, may ilog dyan. Okay. It's really nice
As
here.
you can see, I have touched grass.
And mahiramin ko yung slipper ni Duday, kaya ang aking dyan. Ha! It's too small for me. Hi, Duday! Are you having fun today? Are you having fun? Okay, wala ka nakasama sa picnic mo? Ay, charot. Camping.
Yeah.
And there, meron silang steakhouse.
If you don't know
Ayan.
what the
Actually,
camping
masarap
is
daw
all
steak dyan, pero hindi ko pa na-try.
Mama, can you let me talk?
That's a steakhouse there.
Right? Mama, can I have the camera for a while?
No, mamaya na lang.
Can I have the camera for a while? Wait. So, if you who don't know like what the camping stuff is all about, so basically I was supposed to go camping in Sikihor, but since I had a fever, I couldn't go there. And my cough is like
So bad!
yeah. And if you haven't know yet, then I have a YouTube channel of my own, but please don't check it out or else you'll know my face reveal. If you're a fan of me.
Soon, magkakaroon tayo dito ng water park over there. Diyan. May nagawa pa lang. Malapit na rin matapos. And this is the barn. Ayan. So, masaya dito.
Masaya.
Most of the time, mayroon kaming mga... And, ayan, sa taas ng mga yan, may mga barangay pa dyan.
It's a
Nice
plateau.
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 Or plato.
Platito.
Now, we're gonna have some snacks. Okay. We bought some fudgy bar and some chichurria. Junk food. And earlier we had some buko juice and
Banana